How many times a day do you toss something into a trash can? Too many to count, if you're like most of us. Our Earth is facing a trash crisis, and waste products are piling up into the mountains. Landfills are closing every day, and new ones are not opening. If we continue at our current rate of garbage production, we will eventually be buried under it. We need to realize the importance of recycling, the benefits, and what you can do to make a difference. There are many important reasons to recycle. One is that the U.S. generates more trash than any other nation on Earth, and the amount keeps increasing at an alarming rate. As long as there are people on Earth, there will be a problem disposing waste. While the amount of trash we throw out continues to grow, the places available to put trash are disappearing. We need to recycle to save space in landfills. Many things that are put into landfills can be recycled. Only about 1/10 of North Americans' waste is being recycled, although more than half of the garbage could be recycled. We need to be concerned with toxic waste. Toxic waste is poisonous. It pollutes soil, rivers, and lakes. This waste can be buried and invisible, or it may be buried and turned into a gas and smoke that can pollute the air. This type of waste needs to be controlled, monitored, managed, or recycled before the threat to our health and environment worsens. There are many benefits to recycling. Recycling saves natural resources. Our limited reserves of natural resources are being depleted rapidly, especially with the increasing use of disposable products and packaging. The use of these products takes a heavy toll from our forests and mines. Recycling used materials to make new products and packaging reduces the consumption of natural resources. According to the book Recycling by Rhonda Ronald, recycling newsprint and office paper, we can save millions of trees a year. Recycling saves energy. Energy savings associated with recycling increase in the manufacturing process. The steps in supplying recycled material to industry processing uses less energy than the steps in supplying raw material to the industry. Recycling can help save our environment. By reducing the amount of energy used by industries, recycling can reduce a range of pollutants from entering the air and water. By decreasing the need to extract and process new raw materials from the earth, recycling can eliminate the pollution associated with the beginning stages of a product's development. There are many things that you can do to make a difference. More attention must be given to the garbage before we throw it out. This can be done through the 3 R's of trimming down your trash: reduce, reuse, and recycle. An obvious way to solve the garbage problem is to produce less garbage to begin with. First, reduce the amount of packaging our products come in. The amount of packaging we throw away continues to grow every year. Second, use more things than once. You will save resources and create less trash. Have a garage sale or donate used items to charities that will result in reuse of things that are still good. The third R in trash trimming is recycling. According to the Throwaways Society by Sally Lee, as much as 80% of our waste could be recycled, yet the U.S. presently only recycles about 10% of its waste. Nearly all of our trash could be recycled, but more people need to participate. Some people don't like anything that means extra work, and they might try to make you feel bad because they don't like feeling guilty about not helping. Don't ever be embarrassed that you care about our planet. It's going to take a joint effort by individuals, communities, and businesses to accept the responsibility for eliminating waste production. Finally, some interesting facts about recycling. Americans throw away about 44 million newspapers every day. That's the same as dumping 500,000 trees into landfills each week. We also save energy by recycling one aluminum can. That can make a TV run for about 3 hours. The junk mail Americans receive in one day could produce enough energy to heat 250,000 homes. An average cell phone user in the U.S. buys a new one every 18 months. This rapid turnover leads to about 50 million tons of electronic waste each year. A growing number of new companies are refurbishing and reselling these phones to poor countries and are making billions a year, according to Don Stover on MSNBC.com. In conclusion, recycling is an important part of the answers to many problems that face us as a society. It is the best method for lack of places to put our growing trash. It is one thing to be concerned about our planet and another to try and do something about it. Please remember, you can make a difference. I believe it's not too late to save our planet if we act now. Thank you.